Hi guys, Laura Hudson here with AFC Essentials. Wanted to do some extra lives coming up this month because I want to talk about our wellness programs. They are really awesome, and I admit sometimes I forget about what great deals we can get when we participate. So that's what I wanted to share with you today. A reminder. Our product of the month is Motivate Touch. If you spend 125 PV with your loyalty order, you'll get Motivate Touch free. And then spearmint is 15% off this month, which smells really wonderful to diffuse, especially when you blend it with some fun citrus oils as well. So a couple of awesome things happening there. And then our On Guard special this month is pretty cool because you actually can get a lot of things to keep our immune system healthy with the soap and the hand sanitizer, but you also can save some money when you do that. So it's called the On Guard Collection, and it's a limited time only. It's kind of a back to school special. You get 2 On Guard foaming hand washes, 1 soap dispenser, 3 On Guard sanitizing mists, and 20 On Guard sanitizing hand wipes. So you end up, I don't know if you can see that. Can't really see that. You end up saving like $12.25. So that's awesome. I want to say it's maybe $50 instead of $62.25. So that's the deal. All right, let's talk about our respiratory program in our wellness. I'm going to share my screen so you can see kind of how cool this kit is. So this is our wellness program kit. This is $75 wholesale. A couple of things that make these kits cool is you actually get some items you wouldn't normally get with, like you just normally can't buy somewhere, either a mini size of something or something like that. So you have 3 program tracks, and if you go to the shop tab, you can actually go here to wellness programs, and then you can see all the different ones available now. We used to just have 3, but now we have 5. We have relief, immunity, mind and mood, sleep, and respiratory. So we're going to start with respiratory today, and then we'll move on to the others through the next several weeks. So what's really cool also that I tend to forget, but I'm definitely taking advantage of it now. I added the mind and mood track to my order last month. So this month I'll get the second track, which is really cool. But what I love is how you can get add-ons at a discount. That's one thing I love about that. And always, whenever you're getting something, it is a better deal. You're going to save a little bit of money. So let's look at this wellness program kit 1. So what you get in this particular kit is the 15 ml of Breathe, doTERRA Breathe Respiratory Drops, Peppermint Beadlets, Cardamom Lime, and the exclusive gift in this month 1 is the handheld personal aroma diffuser. So pretty cool. The kit 2 comes with eucalyptus, Breathe Touch, Laurel Leaf, 5 ml, Tri-E Soft Gel, and the exclusive gift is the Passive Shower Diffuser, which is also cool. And kit 3 is the Air X, the Peppermint, Raven Sarah, On Guard, Breathe Vapor Stick, and the Car Clip Diffuser. So this is where I think the savings, another level of savings happens. So you can customize your wellness program, and you can add up to 3 additional products at a special discount while you are participating. So for example, if you want to get more peppermint beadlets instead of, you would actually pay less. Let me see. That's the retail price. I want to see the normal wholesale and then the promotion. Okay, so normal wholesale is $12.50, and you're able to get that for $10. So you save like $2.50 there. And then the Tri-E's is normally, let's see, how much is that one normally? Normally $23 wholesale, and you're going to pay you're going to pay $18.40. So you end up saving a couple dollars for each one, but this one I think is going to be the biggest savings. Our frankincense, you can actually get this for $54.40 instead of $68. So you save like $14 on a bottle of frankincense while you're in the respiratory tract, which I think is pretty cool. So you can basically add up to 3 products with your order. On Guard soft gels are cheaper. Even save on a diffuser. So really pretty awesome deal. So let's talk a little bit about why doTERRA decided to do a respiratory program, and how it can just some ways it can benefit you. So what we've got is I know they were really trying to make it easier for people to know how to address certain health concerns. So if you deal with respiratory issues, you would you would rest assured that you're going to get what you need to handle it when you get this kit. So it gives you several of the different oils you need. It will give you like that personal aroma diffuser, plus the Breathe throat drops, which are really awesome to help with any respiratory situation. So I just love that because it really helps you get the things you need to resolve your issue. It saves you some money, right? And it also allows you to get some exclusive gifts with each kit. Sometimes people don't like the idea or don't like to have to edit their cart. And so it's kind of nice just to put one of those tracks in there. You're going to get track 1, track 2, track 3, but you can obviously go in there and customize what you get as well and add on to that. So the wellness programs do come with your loyalty order. And so a great way, again, to earn points on your orders, because these are going to be over 50 PV. So you're going to get some savings there as well. So I hope that's helpful. One of the reasons I love the wellness programs is just for those add-ons. And like I said, I did the Mind and Mood because I love the Adaptive and I love the Serenity soft gels, and I can get those at a deal through that particular tract. So it's pretty awesome. So I hope you guys are doing well. I hope you're getting ready for back to school. Don't miss out on the On Guard deal. It's really quite a savings. And just to be able to get stocked up on that stuff is awesome too. All right, guys, create a great week. Happy Monday. And if you have any questions, comment below, and I will share the link to this page in the comments or in the description so you can check it out. Talk to you later, guys. Bye-bye.